So in the last session we have seen the Flutter setup by Terminal, right? So in this session we will learn uh, like how to configure an editor or IDE for Flutter development. So Flutter is a plugin or SDK that can be installed on any IDEs. So we can use Android Studio, or we can use a VS Code or any IntelliJ IDEs. But generally I prefer VS Code. Why? Because if I suppose if I use Android Studio, so in Android Studio I can connect only Android devices or Android emulator, right? But uh, I'm learning Flutter for both the platforms. So most of the time I need both the devices or both the emulators, right? So for that you have the best choice is VS Code, because this IDE can connect with Android emulator or with iOS emulator both. So I prefer VS Code. So for VS Code configuration, first we have to install the VS Code from its official site. Then after installing, like I have already installed the VS Code, then open the VS Code, and now it is blank. There is no Flutter SDK or Dart plugin, right? That is going to use in the development, right? So first we have to install a Flutter SDK or Dart plugin to support the Flutter development. So in the VS Code, here is the icon. When you click on this, it will show a search bar where you can search the plugins for Flutter. So I write a name Flutter here. So it is showing me Flutter 3.12.0, and it is having Flutter support and Dart plugin. So this plugin is having Flutter SDK and Dart, that is the language which we are going to use in the development of Flutter. This plugin having both of the features, Flutter SDK plus Dart plugin. So we have to install this one to start the development. I have already installed in my VS Code, so that's why it is not showing me the install icon here. And first time when you will try to install it, then it will show the install button here. Just click on this, it will install the Flutter SDK and Dart plugin on your VS Code. Then you are good to go to start the development. After installing this, in the last session we have seen we have created one application with the name of demo. So after setting up the plugin and Flutter plugin, we will import that project into VS Code, right? So for that, go to file,